Real women murders, not fiction. Love women, don't kill them. Giving real women, unknown women, recognition to the world. Please support our channel and please subscribe.
Montgomery County woman. The woman's husband is charged with murder after telling investigators that he stabbed her to death and then put her body in an apartment complex dumpster. Now, what makes this case even more tragic, if that's possible, it's the couple's 15-year-old daughter has now lost a second mother in her short life. Here's Scott Broom to explain all this.
Law enforcement sources have told me that the search for the victim has included repeated trips to Montgomery County's incinerator in Dickerson with cadaver dogs, and that the search is ongoing. 41-year-old Nerlan Foresta was the 15-year-old girl's devoted stepmother. After the child lost her first mom and much of the rest of her family in a 2010 earthquake disaster in Haiti, according to family friends who do not want their identities made public. Father Jean J. Pierre has been charged with killing Foresta inside the family's Montgomery Village apartment August 21st. According to friends, he married Foresta after he and his surviving daughter fled to the U.S. in the wake of the Haitian earthquake. The girl had been trapped for days in the rubble near the bodies of her mother and sister, friends said. According to court documents, Foresta went missing August 21st after telling a cousin on the phone that he was going to kill her. The 15-year-old reported a suspicious wound on her father's arm and said her dad had rented a carpet cleaner and asked her to return it to the store for him in the days after the disappearance. Police got a search warrant for the apartment and discovered blood spatter in places in the master bedroom and master bath, the court documents say. Later, Pierre gave inconsistent statements concerning his actions and whereabouts during the investigation, investigators wrote. During the interview, Pierre admitted to stabbing his wife and taking her body to the dumpster in the early morning hours of August 22nd, investigators said. Family friends report his brave daughter, the earthquake survivor, now touched by tragedy twice in her short life, insisted on going to school today. Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
At a court hearing today, Pierre was ordered to be held in jail without bail.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.